Then mga sisi ko, kasbam Sir Arlene. I'm Filipina living in Bulgaria. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell para lagi update sa mga new vlogs ko. Love you all! Po kami ngayon sa main street ng Sofia.
No, it's not the main. Like door pants, some paint, things like this, you know, electrical sockets, blah blah blah.
Da.
This the good thing here.
Kids playground. Pero maganda naman siya. See, nakikita niyo yung mga puno. Nagiging kulay orange na. Kasi marapit nang dumating yung winter. As you can see.
Is this normal?
Yes, it's normal.
I like normal, no people.
Kadalasan makikita niyo mga bata.
Camera?
Yes. Wrong move, mahal ko. I forgot to bring my camera. Nandito tayo sa South Park. Ang dami mga batang naglalaro. Kumbaga sa atin, playground. As you can see. Ang maganda dito yung mga kulay green na tanawin. See?
Nice view. Let's take it from above, Marco.
Malinaw siya, oh.
Careful, careful.
Oh! Sorry.
Just go to go, Marco. It's just because I have nobody to come here, you know, to walk.
Duh. I understand, mahal ko.
If I walk alone, I feel like a crazy person. Do you know that?
No. For me, it's normal because I just walk by myself.
For me, it's like I need to have a purpose, like going groceries, going here and there, you know?
Duh.
Like I need to do something.
Duh.
Otherwise, I feel like I'm doing unnecessary things.
Duh. Mga sisi ko, may makikita kayo ditong pwede kayo mangisda. O yung mga pato. Lumalangoy sila. May isda din pala dito. Nakakatuwa.
Is this the loop?
Mga sisi ko, nandito tayo sa kagubatan. Kung saan makikita mo daw maraming oso. Marami daw ditong oso, sabi ng Diyosawa ko.
Are a little bit brownish.
Ito na nga ulit kami sa pinakang main street. Sa may mga maraming tao. Maganda yung boses niya. Ayan na nga mga sisi ko. Ang ganda. Napagod na ang aking Diyosawa. Upo muna daw siya. As you can see. Maganda rin dito magmuni-muni. Especially yung mga bulaklak ang kagandong. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng bulaklak yan. Pero wala niyan sa Pilipinas.
Done. So beer and salted. Beer and salted. No, they are not here. Let me move around. By the way, here in Kaufland, the best prices of everything. Everything you cannot find it cheaper.
Da.
Even this, see? A trimmer for 15 leva.
Da.
So for 450 pesos, it's good.
No, yes, not bad
You
price.
cannot find it. You cannot find it anywhere with that price. See? Cable, things like that. See?
Da.
This cable.
It's just only 8.99 leva.
It's a little, yeah, it's at least like 50% cheaper.
Да. That's why lots of people shopping here.
Yeah. That's why I'm telling you, it's better to get the customer here.
Да.
Here. Pardon, what you look for?
I know it's just white. Oh no, it's not like that.
This one. Okay, I took one.
Okay.
Took one. So we need to buy some napkins. They're not there, right? Anyhow, fuck it. Then look here, I know where they're.
Alright, let's go out there aisle.
Let's go to the milk. The milk is meat.
Да.
Do you like bacon?
Not bad.
Huh?
How much the bacon?
Three 49.
Okay, that's one is enough. $3.49.
Or do you like ham?
Bacon and ham is same.
It's different meat.
Different meat. Wait.
Do you think this is better?
Maybe this one.
This is more, like
Да.
how to say? More, like pork belly.
Да.
Bacon, okay. So is this better?
Yes, it's better, man. Final.
I don't like the.
I just need to look.
Another.
Да.
Better, right?
Да. Oh, yeah. It's better, Himan. You're so good.